What if I told you that one sentence typed into ChatGPT could save you hours of work, reduce stress, and even help you make better decisions in life? Today, I'll show you 10 powerful ChatGPT prompts that can change the way you work, learn, and think, even if you're a complete beginner. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, this channel is all about using AI tools like ChatGPT to work smarter, grow faster, and stay ahead. No tech knowledge needed, just practical prompts you can use today. Let's jump straight in. Prompt number 1, Life Clarity. Act as a life coach. Ask me 5 powerful questions to help me gain clarity about my goals. Why it matters. Most people feel stuck because they lack clarity. This prompt fixes that. Prompt number 2, Daily Planning. Create a simple daily schedule for me based on productivity and energy levels. Example, perfect for students, creators, or professionals who feel overwhelmed.
Prompt number 3, Career Growth. Analyze my skills and suggest career paths I can grow into in the next 2 years. Why it's powerful. ChatGPT becomes your career advisor. Prompt number 4, Learning anything faster. Teach me any topic you wish to learn as if I'm a complete beginner using simple examples. Use cases: coding, finance, communication, AI tools, anything. Prompt number 5, Communication Upgrade. Rewrite this message to sound confident, clear, and professional. Real life use: emails, WhatsApp messages, LinkedIn posts. By the way, if this is working for you, subscribing really helps. And I've got more coming. And now let's go back to our video.
My voice is a bit off, so I'm keeping things simple with my own voice. Hope you enjoy it. Prompt number 6, Money and Side Hustles. Suggest realistic side hustle ideas based on my skills and available time. Why beginners love it. No fake hype. Practical suggestions. Prompt number 7, Stress and Overthinking. Help me break down this problem and suggest a calm, logical solution. ChatGPT becomes your thinking partner, not just a chatbot. Prompt number 8, Goal Breakdown. Break this goal into small, actionable steps I can start today. Example, starting music, fitness goals, learning AI. Prompt number 9, Content Creation. Generate content ideas for YouTube or Instagram in my niche for 30 days. Perfect for creators who run out of ideas. Prompt number 10, Personal Growth Coach. Act as my personal growth coach and give me one daily habit to improve my life. Why this changes lives? Small habits into big transformation. Step by step workflow for how to use these prompts. Step number 1, open ChatGPT. Number 2, copy one prompt. Number 3, replace the bracket with your own details. Number 4, ask follow up questions. And number 5, save the responses you like. That's it, no complexity. If you think these prompts are powerful, wait till you see what's coming next. In part 2, I will show you prompts that help you think like an expert, break mental blocks, and plan your life clearly. After that, we will cover money, habits, career growth, and even content creation. The video doesn't end here, it's a full transformation series. Before you go, comment part 2 if you want it faster. And if this video helped you, hit like and subscribe to get more AI productivity tips like this. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, don't stress too much. You are doing better than you think.